subscribe button below and the bell button next to it so that you do not miss out any of my videos and stay updated with my channel, and it is absolutely free.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Wishing all of you a very happy new year, and I'm going to start off the year by doing a makeup tutorial inspired by the color of the year 2018, UltraViolet. The look is extremely beautiful and perfect for parties and outing. So start off with the makeup tutorial. I'll first take my Masquerade Studio Perfect primer, and I will use this primer on all over my face and spread it evenly in feathering motion. For my foundation, I'll be using my L'Oreal Matte Magique 12 Hours Foundation, and I will be buffing the foundation well into my skin using my PAC Beauty Blender. Next, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and yes, I'll be using this conceal in two different shades. The shade for my concealer, I'm going to apply it under my eyes, and the deeper shade Toast, I'm going to use it as my contour shade. Then to set my base, I'll be using this Wet n Wild Natural Finish Makeup Fixer, and I will spritz it on all over my face and let it air dry. After that, I will just set the base further using my Lakme 925 powder foundation, and then I'm going to move on to my brows and use my Kiss Beauty Brow Kit to fill up my brows. Moving to the eyes, I'll be using the Juvius Masquerade palette, and I will take that color Zulu, which is a very beautiful orangish brownie color, and I will start working on the outer V area and take the color inward. I'm using my PAC tapered blending brush in number 28 to do this job, and I'm just slowly taking the color inward in swiping motion and circular motion, as you can see. Doing the same on the other eye as well. And I will further blend the color using a fluffy blending brush from Vega, and this will just spread the color and distribute it evenly. After this, I will take this color shade Fulani, which is a very beautiful warm brown color, and I will just place it on top of the previous orangish brown to deepen the outer V area further. Take that beautiful reddish brown shade called Ada, which is a very pretty color. I will just place the shade on the outer V area using a pencil brush, and then blend it further using my PAC blender brush in number 28. This will just build up the intensity of the outer V region. Then I will take that beautiful color Makida, which is a very bright violet color from the palette, and I will place the color on all over my eyelids. After this, I will take the color Zulu again, which is that orangish brown color, and I will place it on the outer V area after I place the violet and blend that area further so that it shows a smooth transition. Now I will take the color Ada again, and this time I will use a compact blending brush, and I will place the color at the center of the outer V and take it along the crease line a bit so that the eyes look more bright and the violet becomes the center of the eye. Building the intensity of the violet by using my finger now, by patting the color on the center of the lid. After this, I will take that color Giza, which is a very beautiful champagne color, and I will place it in the front corner of the eye and mix it with the violet. Then I'm using my Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liner, and I will draw a very thin line close to my lash line. Then I will take this color Ada, and I will deposit the color on the outside corner of the lower eyelid. I will then take the color Zobo, which is a very beautiful magenta purplish color, a very pretty color, and I will place it on all over my lower eyelid starting from the previous brown. Then I will take the shade Giza again and I will place the color under my brow bone. And now just dusting off any excess fallout on my face using a fluffy powder brush. Then for my face, I will take the Freedom Blush Palette and I will take that beautiful dusky pink shade. It's a lighter dusky pink, not a very deeper one. And I will just apply it on the apple of my cheek. Then I will take this beautiful chocolate brown color, which is a warm brown, perfect for a bronzing shade. I won't be applying a lot of deeper contour powder because I've done liquid contouring already. Then I will take my favorite PAC Baked highlighter in shade 02 and I will apply it on the highest point of my face, that is my cheekbone, my bridge of my nose and the cupid's bow. You know the drill, guys. I sort of just missed the clip where I applied the lipstick, but I applied the shade Jade Rose by Nykaa. For my lower lashes, I applied the PAC HD mascara because I love the low wand it comes with it. That's pretty much how the look goes. If you guys like this video and the tutorial, please ensure that you hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel because that will really mean a lot to me. I have recently upgraded my YouTube setup, so I am using soft boxes right now, but it is not complete because I'm yet to introduce another light. I'm still working on it to improve further, no doubt, but yes, so please be a bit patient. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and again wishing all of you a very happy new year. Till next time, take care. Bye.